Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. This quick and easy sausage and shrimp jambalaya cooks in about 30 minutes. It is the perfect way to get a New Orleans flavor on a busy weeknight. When it comes to sausage, I like to use Cajun or andouille sausage for a more authentic flavor. Cajun sausage can be a bit spicy, so if it isn't your thing, or if you just can't find another, smoked sausage will do. This is cooking on medium heat. Jambalaya is actually one of those one-pot dishes that are relatively easy to make. I am going to stir frequently until the sausage has browned. Guys, I was really craving jambalaya. My mouth just gets to watering thinking about the Cajun Creole flavors of this dish. Use a spatula to remove the sausage to a plate. I'm going to set this aside. Add your bell peppers, your diced onions, and celery. Cook until vegetables are tender. That's going to take about 5 minutes. Okay, so here is the star of the show. This is Creole Jambalaya base. And you just add your favorite meat and rice. The ingredients are chicken stock, water, chicken meat with natural juices, salt, cane juice, uh, chicken fat, onions, turmeric, tomato puree, tomato from concentrate, tomato paste, celery, bell pepper, spices, garlic, and green onions. So we're going to open this can and add it to our mixture. For me, I really love using this Creole Jambalaya base because of the savory flavors. I switched over to a bigger pot to accommodate the 2 cups of rice that I'm going to use. Bring your broth and rice to a boil. Add your sausage. Reduce the heat to a simmer and cover. Cook for about 20 minutes, stirring occasionally until the rice is tender to your liking. You can taste it and add additional seasoning. Add the shrimp. Cook for an additional 5 minutes or until the shrimp are cooked through. Guys, this smells absolutely divine. Gonna allow it to rest for about 5 minutes, then stir and serve. I like some good old cornbread with mine.